Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use templates on CapCut PC. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google CapCut.com. So once you are on that website, here you can see templates on the laptop. Click on that. Okay. So once you are here, you can see that search templates. So you can search image template as well and video template as well if you know the name. But here you can see different templates. So here you can see that different templates. So let's suppose I want to use this. So you simply need to click on that template. And here you can see that how many times that template you can see aspect ratio and how many people use this. And if you want to use this template, you simply need to click on use this template, and now it will redirect to the CapCut, and you can easily use that template to create your video, as you can see that. And after that, once your video is ready, you simply need to click on export. So this is the easy process by which you can find and use templates on CapCut PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.